Hello developers. In today's video we are going to explore CSS Vh and VW units. These are extremely useful for making responsive and adaptive screenshot layouts. At the end of this video you will know how to use CSS Vh and VW to make a dynamic layout. What is Vh and VW units? VW stands for viewport width and Vh stands for viewport height. One VW is equal to 1% of viewpoint width and one VH is equal to 1% of viewpoint height. So here we have a container. Let's give it width of 50 VW. Height of 50 pixels. Background. Now as you can see, this div is taking a 50% of viewport width. Now what the VW does, no matter what the screen size is, it will be always taking a 50% of screens. As you can see, the width will be reduced, but container will be always taking 50% of screens. So that's what viewpoint does. No matter what screen size is, it will taking that predefined percentage of screens. Let's add the height. So let's add 50 VH. As you can see, screen size is changing, but container always taking 50% of height. So that's what VW and VH does. They will be taking a percentage of screens no matter what size it is. It's a responsive text. As you can see, it's a normal text. When I change size of screen, it will not responding according to it because it's a normal text. As you can see, I'm changing screen size, but texts are not responding according to it because they are not defined in VH or VW. So let's set it. Why it's responding according to which? Because we have defined VW, not VH. What if we do VH? If I change width, you can see texts are not responsive. But if I change height, text will be responsive. You can use VH and VW for making responsive text as well. So yeah, that's all you need to know to get started with VH and VW. Bye bye.